Good morning, everyone. Today is June 11th. It's 8:23 in the morning. We are packing up. I just took the truck to go get some gas, and we're loading up a few last minute things, and we'll be on the road. All right, guys, this is it. We're about to pull off. What are your thoughts?
Cool. I don't have any.
How do you feel?
Good. I want to go.
No, you ready to go?
I'm nervous.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
I'm a little nervous too. It's okay. It's okay to be nervous. Everything's a learning experience, right? No.
We've already been across the whole country. No, the ocean.
Well, this is it. We've got her packed up, ready to go. This is Sandy. We've named her Sandy. That was Joe's mom's name, and we know that if she was here with us still, she would definitely be on this trip. So, because she loved to travel and go everywhere with us. But, yeah, we got everything packed up and ready to go. It's about 9:15. Doing another little once over of the house, and that's gonna be it. We'll be on the road and ready to go. We have successfully made our first stop in the RV. We stopped at a Pilot, and we got lunch, and we got gas, and successfully did not hit anything. So we're pretty stoked. We're on I-75 towards Chattanooga.
It's been so dark.
So we are about 41 minutes from our final boondocking destination. We're going to stay at a Cracker Barrel tonight. Everybody is tired. We are ready to get out of this car, truck, whatever you want to call it. We are over this today.
Yes, we are.
So we've had dinner, and yeah, we're just tired. We're ready to get out. Where are we? Somewhere in Kentucky. About 45 minutes from Williamstown. Well, no, we're about 2 hours from Williamstown, which is where we're going to be tomorrow at the Ark. So that'll be fun. We're 11 miles from Richmond, Kentucky. So we have officially made it to our first stop in Georgetown, Kentucky. Joe is fixing the RV,
Kind of.
making it more straight. We're gonna get in here, and this is where we're sleeping at tonight.
Really?
We have made it to the Ark Encounter in Williamstown, Kentucky.
Did we?
We got the camper parked and we're walking in to get a ride, I guess, because it's way over yonder.
Is it?
Wow.
Imagine somebody took a panorama all the way around the thing.
I'm going this way.
Until the storm circle
Look at
moves
banana
in.
trees.
2 minutes till the storm circle moves in.
We got banana trees.
And the storm
Our
goes.
banana trees need things too. We stopped chopping it down. Our banana tree. You know that tree at the pool? Looks like that. Because whoever cuts the grass out, it runs it over. Pricing. Pricing.
Oh, it's a thing. Lizard thing.
It's a real donkey.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're
He's just
sleeping
staring
pretty
at-
hard.
He looks depressed.
Well, that's what Eeyore is.
That could be a mule. I don't know what they
That's a dinosaur.
Mm-mm. Are you gonna touch it?
Probably not.
This is Tannen. He's a bearded dragon.
Tannin.
You can put him on his back if you want to.
What does it feel like?
Scaly.
Really?
Oh my god, I can't touch it.
He's got holes in his ears.
Don't scream.
Can you pet them? If they come up to the fence, you can. That's it.
Used to.
How many days were we staying here?
One night.
Really? Yeah, we still have to go to the sun.
But no, not what I did.
We got a campground reserved there for certain days.
Riding through the field.
So we're not setting up like the computer or TV or
Every time
We'll have time.
I look at you.
I mean, we have all night.
No, we don't. We gotta get up early and go.
Not early. We only have 6 hours.
So driving tomorrow? We got more than that. Maybe 6 hours of straight driving. Nothing but driving. And then we gotta stop and eat, stop and relax, and stop and rest, and gas.